So we are in a deluxe studio at the Boardwalk Villas, and we are in a handicapped accessible room. So when you walk in on the left hand side, you have a mirror. And then right after that is the bathroom area. You have a little sink area right here with a mirror, and then also some of the H2O products as well. They're still putting them in the bathroom as individual. Then on the right hand side in here we have the walk-in shower area. Then over here on the other side we have the towels, extra toilet paper, we have a toilet and a garbage, and then the door slides to get shut. Then we walk in on the other side of the floor. We have the kitchenette pantry area. So up here we have some plastic and regular cups, mugs, plates, things like that. And I think last time I did a tour here, I also showed like this is where they should keep the forks, Splenda, things like that for the kitchen. We have a microwave here. We have a toaster as well. This is just a regular 2 slices. We have an ice bucket here. This actually here is hand dish soap. I guess they're using this brand now instead of the other one, because I know they also have this. They gave me last time like a different one that was laundry detergent, so I guess they're starting to use this brand at the resorts. They have a sponge, a little dish towel, in the sink area, paper towels, garbage recycling. We also have up here coffee maker, and they give you coffee. And then down here we have the freezer, fridge, and that's it for the kitchenette area. So now we're walking into the bedroom area. On the right hand side directly, we have a closet area with an iron, a vacuum in here too, or some sort of vacuum, yeah. Somewhere to put your suitcase, a safe, hair dryer, iron, hangers, things like that, handicapped accessible. We have extra pillows and blankets. Then we have another space here for clothes. Some drawers if you want to unpack. And this area is also nice up here because you could put stuff on top of this. Also, we have the TV right here. We have the table, and here we have some information about the resort and room service. We have the 2 chairs, and if we move the chairs over, this actually pulls out to a bed. We have a ton of outlets. We have 2 USB and 2 regular outlets, and then we have the same thing on the other side of the TV. And then here we have an adjoining door if you need to have multiple rooms next to each other that connect. Then if we back up 1 second really fast, we go to the other side of the room. We have a mirror on the wall. Then we have a bed right here. Information about the resort from the general manager, a quote card, things like that. Then over here we have a side table with a phone, the remote for the TV, some more outlets over here. And then also we have a couch here. This also pulls out to a bed. Another table, another lamp in the corner. And then we have the balcony veranda area out here. So it's just nighttime right now, but we'll go out and look. Apologies for the bad lighting, but we have a table and 2 chairs out here on the veranda area, and then the pool area here. It's this is the main pool area with the clown. It's very hard with the lighting. I really apologize, and it's just changing with the temperature, the humidity, and that's why the camera is foggy. But that is it for this room tour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and set alerts so that way you're notified when my next video comes out.